What's up, guys? Oh, wait. Alright, so, I'm back. I guess I'll make another burp video because they're getting so freaking popular. But I will tell you guys one this thing. Stop freaking sending me messages to drink alcohol. Okay? I'm not drinking alcohol. And I don't care what you say, I'm not drinking it. Okay? I will do burp, but I'm not freaking drinking alcohol. I'm not stupid. What's that? Let me see if we have anything else to drink. Not alcohol. Let's see if I can do it with milk. Alright. Oh god. See, I can burp and I can chug, right? Dang, I can use more milk more often. Dang, I'm doing good. Alright, that was pretty good. One more. Alright, that's good. Alright, peace out, guys. Oh, hey, subscribe. Okay, I want subscribers. Lots and lots of subscribers. Alright, subscribe me. Alright, peace.